It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, then you may need to check out the charts before you follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done this, you too can do the same. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. You can see it has gotten to this resistance zone. It sold for a while, went back again till it got to this resistance zone, so it is selling again, and it will be trying out this support zone. Okay, it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it's still going to sell more right from there. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Remember, I'm on 5-minute time frame. Okay, so you can also take note of that. Okay, so right from here it started the downtrend, and of course got to this region, pull back, and went back again to break out from there, and of course it got to the support zone, was unable to go out beyond that, and of course it's going back on buy trend at the moment, so it will be buying for a while. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, this has been on a very strong downtrend, selling even though there are pullbacks in between, but that downtrend is so powerful. So this is still more of a downtrend than a buy trend. Okay, it's still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out also. Okay, this is crash 500. This is also on a very strong downtrend, and you can see it selling and selling. If it breaks out below this support zone, then it will keep on selling. So this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out below that support zone, that is when it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. The next asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75, and this had been on a very strong uptrend, got to this, and of course it was unable to break out above that resistance zone, so it started selling right from there. And if it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. Okay, it's going to sell more right from there once it breaks out below it. So it will be trying it out again to see if it will break out below it. Once it breaks out below it, then definitely we should expect it to sell more at that particular point. Okay, and of course we should be considering it this way. Okay, in this form. Okay, at least it should sell till it gets to this region, and if it breaks out below here, then it's going to sell more. So this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.